On a very hot summer day, the sun was shining brightly in the sky.
But look,
The land was
an
dry,
oasis.
and everything looked tired and thirsty. A crow was flying here and there, searching for water. His throat was dry, and his wings were getting tired. He looked everywhere, over houses, trees, and fields, but he could not find water anywhere. Suddenly, the crow saw a pot near a house. He quickly flew down and looked inside the pot. There was water in the pot, but the water level was very low. The crow tried to drink the water, but his beak could not reach it. The crow felt sad and weak. For a moment, he did not know what to do. But then he said to himself, "I must try again." The crow looked around carefully and saw some small pebbles on the ground. Suddenly, a clever idea came into his mind. He picked up one pebble and dropped it into the pot. Then he picked another pebble and dropped it inside. Slowly, the water level started to rise. The crow kept putting pebbles one by one into the pot. After some time, the water came up to the top. The crow drank the water happily. His thirst was finally gone. The crow felt fresh and strong again. He spread his wings and flew away happily. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way.